You spend, you spend, you spend money. Question here is, should you get a mini split air conditioner or a window unit? This stupid question. The mini split air is probably around $3,000 plus new electrical wiring for it. Okay? A room air conditioner, even with inflation now, is about $180. No, not only will it cool a room, it'll freeze a room. I've got them. When I put it on, I leave the door open so I don't get frozen inside when I'm sleeping. So it's like over $3,000 versus $150 to $180 for a room air conditioner. And no extra electrical needed, you just plug it in. And oh yes, and when it finally breaks down, you just throw it in the trash, go to Home Depot, Walmart, buy another one, and within 2 hours you have air conditioning again.